there's nothing but a bright future in store for Chris Pastor.
The best voice, pero your biggest advantage is that you are a star. Wala kang duda.
I believe people they're destined to become stars. May not have to be today, tomorrow, but I think you will have your time when you will be a star.
Affect the results of the text vote. Ako, handa na ba kayong malaman ang ranking ng top 6 scholars?
Eto na, malaman na. Okay, simulan natin sa announcement ng actual percentage breakdown of the text votes mula nang magbukas ang botohan 2 linggo na nakakalipas hanggang sa magsara ito kaninang tanghali. Now, this is a range from the lowest to the highest. Scholar E garnered 1.97% of the text votes. Si Scholar F naman ay nakakuha ng 6.06% and Scholar C got 13.36%. Kabilang naman sa Academy Top 3 ay sina Scholar D na nakakuha ng 13.69% of the text votes, Scholar A who got 29.70% and Scholar B who got 35.21%. At sayang na sayang dahil si Scholar C more or less 6,000 votes na lang ay pasok na sana siya sa Academy Top 3. And the question is, sino kaya si Scholar B na nakakuha ng pinakamataas na porsyento ng boto? Sino siya?
Sino siya?
Sino siya na hihiranging Grand Star Dreamer tonight? Yan ang inyong abangan sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2.